Welcome to the introductory video on the course Statistical Methods for Psychological Research Part 2. The objectives of course is to train the students in quantitative methods in applied psychology, to train the parametric and non-parametric statistics, and to educate the students the techniques of inferential statistics and hypothesis testing. And finally, we are going to introduce the course which is in SPSS, we are part of that statistical analysis. This course consists of total 5 credits which is to be covered in 15 weeks. The number of units are 4. So students, you are welcome to this a beautiful combination of statistical methods for psychological research part 2. I hope and wish this course will give a good benefit to you, those who particularly pursuing research in behavioral sciences. Welcome.